Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 Ford Explorer XLT. This one is black. Underneath the hood is a 2.3 EcoBoost 4-cylinder with 280 horsepower and 310 pounds of torque. This one has 20-inch wheels. Black leather and suede interior. Rear climate controls, captain rear chairs, third row seating, trailer hitch, XLT EcoBoost 4-wheel drive badging, power liftgate, fold down third row seats, clean set of floor mats, keyless entry, blind spot assist, power windows, power seats, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera with sensors, dual climate controls, heated and cooled seats, just heated seats, dual climate controls, automatic transmission, different driving functions. This Ford Explorer has 43,966 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Ford Explorer XLT, visit us at feldmannimports.com.